So to make this, we're going to go into our bowl with flour, and of course all the measurements will be listed down below in the description box. Next, I'm going in with some instant powdered milk. Now I'm going to go in with some elychee, baking soda, and baking powder. Now this needs to be sweet, so I'm going to be using icing sugar in this. I'm just going to give the dry ingredients a mix just so that it's incorporated well before we go in with any wet ingredients. To this, I'm going to go in with 3 tablespoons of ghee. And if you didn't have ghee, you can use unsalted butter if you like. Now if you're making this for prayers, remember you cannot use anything with salt, so that's why I said use unsalted butter. If you're not making it for prayers, of course you can use salted butter. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of Nestle cream or table cream, 2 heaping tablespoons of ginger. And ginger is one of the main ingredients for the cookies, so please don't leave it out. Now we're going to mix everything or cut those ingredients into the flour. Now I'm going to add in enough evaporated milk. And you want to add a little at a time. And you're going to just add enough until it comes together into a soft dough. So you guys see how this has come together? It's going to be a soft consistency. This is what you want. So what I'm going to do now is turn this out onto my surface because we need to roll this out. I'm going to lightly flour my surface and turn this dough onto the surface. So what you need to do is roll out this to about 1/2 inch thickness, or if you wanted you can go thinner if you like. Now I'm going to roll this out. And now I'm going to top it with the sprinkles that Barfi is known for. Just be careful. Remember, we don't have any adhesive for the Barfi, for the sprinkles, sorry, to stick to. And I'm going to take my rolling pin or my billner and press those lightly into the dough. And it's all in there, it's not going to fall out. Next, take your cookie cutter and cut out your circles. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. This is a 2-inch cutter. I'm going to cut my circles. And next, you just take your cookies and place them onto your lined cookie sheet. With the remainder of the dough, although there's sprinkles already in there, you're just gonna bring it together and roll it out and repeat. Now the cookies are going to go into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want them to get too brown, you just want them to have a nice light color. So the cookies just came out of the oven. They smell divine. I'm just gonna allow them to cool down slightly and then I'll break into one and show you guys what it looks like. It's so pretty, it smells so fragrant, and I'm so excited for you all to try this. So guys, here we have the cookies. How beautiful do they look? This is going to be something so different for you all to try this Diwali. And I'm just gonna break into one of the cookies so you all can see. It's not gonna be very crispy. It's gonna be a very cake-like cookie. So I'm gonna taste it now. Got to make sure all of the flavors are in there. It tastes just like a Barfi. Wow. You all are gonna love this one. Your kids are gonna love this one. So if you all make this, leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.